Here I have LG G7 Fit, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern. Unfortunately you forget it and can't even access your device anymore. So firstly what you'll have to do is to turn your device off. Then tap power off. Okay, so basically what you have to do is to forcefully turn your device off by holding down power key plus volume down at the same time like this. Okay, then hold down power key and volume down, release power key and press it once, and you will appear in this kind of menu. So in this menu you just have two options, yes or no, and it asks you delete all user data including LG and carrier apps and reset all settings. You just have to select yes, then once again, and after that all the data from your device will be deleted including lock screen password, and after that device will be restarted in about a minute or two and there will be no screen lock anymore. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.